Hello guys, you're welcome. My name is Osayi Omokaro. Like you know, they call me the father of startups. Part of what I do is do everything within my power to help young people with innovative ideas to shorten the distance between the idea and the market. And what is business plan mastery? Business plan is one of the most comprehensive business documents every business owner or a startup needs to have to be able to succeed in this business. I have been in this journey since 2015, and my capacity to develop business plan and other business documentation has opened more doors for me than any other skill that I have. This same skill has given me access to the Tony Elvero Foundation. I got a 5,000 grants, and I have helped over 20 persons to access that same Tony Elvero Foundation $5,000 grants, and a whole lot of many other grants opportunities that comes by result of the fact that you have your business plan already well developed. For some of you who are interested, but maybe due to the cost of joining the last session I had, you couldn't make it. This is a very, very rare opportunity for you to connect. You would have saved yourself 14,000 Naira. But the major thing here is that you need to do it as quick as possible. Otherwise, you don't have a seat. So click the link below this video. Reserve your seats only by payment. And I trust that when you gain this mastery, it's going to open a lot of opportunities for you. One of the things you should know is that nobody wants to invest in a business or an idea except they first of all want to validate your readiness. And the most explicit document that describes how ready you are for business is a business plan. Because a business plan takes the entire process of your business, from the idea to the market, to the customers, to your management team, to your financials, and all of your strategies for execution. When you are able to spend these 2 days with us and put out your own business plan, I assure you a lot of opportunities that you have never knew existed will begin to show forth, because your documents would have opened you up to these opportunities. We have built business plan, we have worked with people with innovative ideas and documented their ideas. And why some of these ideas were still on document, because they've been expressly written out, they attracted the funding without any office, without any customer, without any other thing done, but by reason of the fact that they've been able to push out a master plan of the idea and the execution, and the financials and the numbers were clear. This is another opportunity for me to demonstrate my fatherhood to some young upcoming guys who's setting up an innovation center in Benin City. And we're launching this course, which I normally do for 20,000 Naira, which is the business plan mastery course. I have it on my platform. It goes for 20,000 Naira. I've done the same training for some other persons for the same 20,000 Naira, but they came to me and they said they needed to start up something and we need to do something for their community. So we decided to offer the same course for 6,000 Naira. But the challenge here is that we only have 20 slots. 20 slots, because the capacity of their seating space can only accommodate 20 slots, 20 seats, and we are giving this opportunity to the first 20 persons to make payments so that the seats can be occupied, supporting them. And I'm sure this and many, many other opportunities are available to us only if we can take advantage of it. So don't let this pass you by. Click the link below, take the class, and tell me thank you later. Bye.